buckle, pull free, and release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest.
Seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew landing stations.
12 in the afternoon, and today is the 31st of July 2022. Ground temperature is 24 degrees Celsius or 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check around areas for items you might leave behind. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated until your roll numbers have been called upon for deplaning. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. May we remind our passengers to continue to wear your masks and observe distancing during disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. Once again, we shall be deplaning by rows, starting with our million milers, followed by those in the forward section, and so on, 3 rows at a time only. For passengers who need assistance, such as wheelchairs, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Emmy Enchong, First Officer Bilhora, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Please be informed of the smoking ban in Davao City. This is strictly implemented in all enclosed buildings, public transportation, and public places in the city, including any part of the Davao International Airport Terminal building. Thank you.